It's cool because the public isn't allowed in here today. It's only dealers and business people, and I suppose press. So everyone thinks I'm a professional person. If only they knew the truth. And the truth is that I shit myself about 5 minutes ago, and I'm actually looking for the bathroom right now. Well, this looks like some cool stuff here. XU Star. It's a new name. They got everything that looks like the stuff that I'm familiar with. You know, it looks the same as the Dainese high quality stuff. I've never heard of the title. So let's take a look around. Hello. Where were you a couple weeks ago when I was buying gloves? For fuck's sake. Nice. Yeah, that's a nice looking glove right there. This one's nice too. It's vented. Solid black. See, these are nice jackets. It's totally mesh here. This is all breathable straight through. And then the back again, same thing. They have padding in the back. There's padding built in, and the whole rear is breathable. So you got wind going straight in here and out anywhere in the back. This is the kind of summer jacket you need, especially in Taiwan. 这个有红色的吗？
红色的，
或者只有黄色？
只有红色的吧。
现在只有黄色。
没有。
Okay. Too bad. They only have it in yellow. That's nice. It's a good jacket. In America, in some states, you can not wear. In America, in some states, you can not wear a helmet, but it's illegal to ride a motorcycle without eyewear. And then in other places like Taiwan, you have to wear a helmet, but you don't have to wear eyewear. And if I had to choose between the two, it's definitely the eyewear rule that makes more sense, because it's the eyewear that a helmet protects you when you crash, and eyewear protects you every second of the ride. Aeon scooters, not familiar. Or is it, what are they? Oh yeah, they got a trike over there, nice. Oh yeah. 3D scooter, Aeon, hydraulic tilting system. And then there's You see this guy wearing the pink in front of you there? What's with that? He's not a dealer, right? He's not here representing his company to buy parts. So he's got to be part of the press. See, that explains a lot to me actually, because I've been on the Taiwan news a lot for negative reasons, and that's because that's what the Taiwan media is like in real life. That's probably a perfect representative of Taiwan media right here. This is the Taiwan media. They showed up. Gotta get interview this guy. She's a cutie. Look at that, eh? This is my friend's. My friend likes this one. I might have gotten this on. Yeah, I got this on film earlier. But this looks cool. Yeah, it's a good paint job. See, it's wood. I didn't realize the first time I got this on film. I thought it was just a beige color. I didn't notice the details. It looks pretty cool. Man. Hey, it looks like they actually danced to the music. When the music stops, it seems like they stopped.